Abante Ayala, sigaw ng mga tagahanga ng ating Filipina Phenom nang patuloy ang kanyang karera sa ASB Classic Women's Singles at Doubles Tournaments. Sa kanyang pag-usad sa parehong torneo, pinagtibay ni Alex Ayala ang kanyang husay at kumpiyansa bilang pambato ng Pilipinas sa larangan ng tennis. Si Kyle Lara nagbabalita para sa Play-by-Play.
Muling nanaig si Filipina tennis phenom Alex Ayala sa quarterfinals ng ASB Classic Women's Singles nang talunin si Polish contender Magda Linette. Mula sa una hanggang sa huling puntos, dinikta ni Ayala ang pace ng buong laro upang talunin ang veterano sa straight sets. Sa simula ng unang set, naging mahigpit ang laban ng dalawang manlalaro. Ngunit pinairal naman ni Ayala ang kanyang ground strokes at elite shot selections upang malamangan si Linette. Sa second set naman, umira lang poise ni Ayala at hindi na ito nasabayan pa ng Polish star. Nagtapos ang kanilang laban sa final score na 6-3 at 6-2. Sa kanyang pagkapanalo, nakabawi si Ayala ng isang makabuluhang redemption win laban kay Linette. Dahil dito, nakakuha na ng isa si Alex mula sa dalawa nitong pagkatalo mula sa 2024 Mubadala Open sa Abu Dhabi at 2025 Rothsay Open sa Nottingham.
Alex, you had that amazing run in Miami to make through to the semis, then of course the Eastbourne semis and into the finals, and now in your third semi-final out here on tour. How good, my friend, does that feel?
It feels so good. Thank you everybody for being here.
Service spoken about on tour, probably not as much as your return, which is one of the best in the game, to be honest with you. You're in the top 5 on tour when it comes to that. Coming up against Magna, that was something that you really needed to focus on. Your return game today, once again, was stellar. Are you happy with it?
Yes, I'm happy. Thanks for the compliments. I don't know, I do my best. I do what I can, and just if I see an opening, I think it's important that I go for it. Today was difficult, obviously Magda being such an experienced player, and I've had difficulties with her playing against her before, so I'm happy that I'm seeing my level increase and improve.
Every time we see you out here on centre court, your level does increase. It was impressive to see today. Straight sets victory and through to the semi-finals. Well done, my friend. Congratulations. Awesome job. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Miss Alex Ayala.
Sa women's doubles draw naman, nabigo ang tambalan ni Ayala at Eva Jovic sa kanilang semifinals match nang patumbahin ng Chinese duo na sina Su Yifan at Yang Zhaoxuan. Natapos ang kanilang double semis run sa final score na 5-7 at 3-6. Sa kasalukuyan naman, inaabangan ng mga manonood ang semifinals match ng dalawang magkakampi sa women's singles. Si Alex Ayala na makakaharap si Xingyu Wang at si Eva Jovic na makakaharap ang top seed na si Elina Svitolina. Posible kaya magkaharap ang ating Filipina at ang kanyang American duo? Alamin natin yan bukas. Kyle Lara para sa sports ng Mata ng Agila International. Trusted, connected, on point.